Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cast your mobile to your laptop or Windows 11 laptop, right? As you can see here I have my phone. You can just basically use it by just using my mouse right here. And this is what I use when I record tutorial videos, okay? As you can see. Now, to be able to access your phone by using this snappy tool, make sure that you have a USB or USB cable, okay? For smooth casting, okay? If you use Wi-Fi, it might be laggy, okay? So for this tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you by using a USB cable. So open up your favorite browser and go ahead over to the URL box and type in scrcpy, all right? Then just hit on enter. And here, as you can see, we have the link from GitHub. Let's click on it. Now go to the right panel and click on the latest release, okay? Scroll down, look for your laptop. But for this example, we're going to be using Windows. So just select from any of these two, Win32 or 64. So if you don't know your computer's architecture, just go ahead over to your search bar and type in MS Info. All right, click on System Information. Here we have the system type, -x64. If yours says x32 or x86, that means that you'll be downloading the 32-bit right here, okay? I'm going to go ahead and click on x64, save it wherever you want, like so. Wait for the download process to finish. Now you can go ahead and close your browser. Here we have the RAR file. Right-click on it and just extract it, okay? There you go. So what you do is just open it up. Now just run this one. But before you do so, make sure that you have enabled the developer tools or developer options from your phone. Okay, I'm just going to show you right here. To enable developer mode or option or tool, just go ahead over to your device settings. Okay, now just go ahead over to the very bottom and click on About Phone. Now click on Software Information. Now tap on Build Number about 7 times. Okay, tap on it 7 times, and once done, there will be a prompt that says developer mode is on or something like that. And once done, go back to the settings, all right? Settings section right here. Scroll down again and click on developer options. In here, make sure that you scroll down and enable USB debugging, okay? Once that's done, you can now go ahead and connect your USB cable, okay? And after that, I'm just going to close it. You can just go ahead and easily run this program, open it up, and as you can see, it's now loading, and there you have it. You can now go ahead and freely use your phone from your computer or laptop. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.